In this video, I'll show you how to connect a pair of wired headphones or wired earbuds to your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36 if you want to listen to Spotify, YouTube, or even take calls. Unfortunately, these models don't have any headphone jack. So what you need to do is to use this USB Type-C to connect your cable. And how is it done? Well, you need an adapter. This is one of them. I'll put a link in the description towards one of these. It's made by Apple, but you also have many other options that are cheaper and works as well. So what you need to do is to simply plug this end of the adapter, that is USB Type-C, over here. And the other end, you see, it has an audio jack. So you simply have to connect the headphones this way. Now you probably ask yourself, how do I charge my phone since this port is taken? Well, it exists adapters that have not only a headphone jack but also a charging port, so you can charge at the same time as using your headphones. So I'll put a link in the description towards one of those as well. At this point, honestly, you don't have to do anything. You can start listening to anything that you wish on your phone. There's nothing in the menu that you need to do. And if you change the volume over here, you can see a small headphone logo over here, just confirming that the audio is actually coming out of these and not the speaker of your phone. Once you're done, simply disconnect, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, again, check my Amazon links to get one of these adapters. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.